So what do you understand by a percentage? The words per and cent mean per 100 or for every 100. And the symbol for percentage is this. Let's understand this by this square. And this square is divided into 100 equal dimensions square. So हमने यहाँ पे ये एक स्क्वायर लिया है और ये 100 small squares में divided है, which is equal. So first of all, if we are going to find what is the percentage of red color here, or you can see red squares here. So the percentage for red squares here, red squares are 30 out of 100, or we can say 30% of these squares are red. And symbolically we will write this as 30 with the sign of percentage. This 30% is equals to 30 by 100 or 30 hundredths.
Question number first is given, what percentage of these squares is shaded? So this square is given in which 100 small squares are given, and we are going to count how many parts are shaded, how many squares are shaded, which we are going to write in this boxes. So in this one, how many squares are shaded? So 36 squares are shaded. We are going to write 36 in this box. So 36 by 100, that means how many percentage? So this will be 36% only. Similarly, you have to do for this and for this square. In the next question, write the shaded part as percentage. So first we are going to count the shaded circles over here. So how many circles are shaded? 1, 2 and 3. So you are going to write 3 over here, and these are total 10. Now see, we are going to write it into percentage. So first we are going to make this 10 as 100. So we are going to multiply this 10 by 10 only. जब आप 10 को 10 से multiply करेंगे, you will get 100. So 10 multiply by 10 will make 100. So जब हम denominator में 10 से multiply कर रहे हैं, we have to multiply it in numerator also. So this will become 30. So this is 30 upon 100. So 30 by 100 will be 30%. We are going to solve question number 4, which is filling the blanks, in which these fractions, decimal numbers and some parts we are going to convert it into percentage. So first of all, A part is given 21 out of 100. So out of 100 we are going to write like this only, 21 by 100, and this is 21% only, because upon में जब भी 100 आता है we are going to make it as a percentage sign. So then 4 by 5. Now in this one again we are going to multiply this fraction by 100, so that जो हमारा answer है that will come in percentage. So 4 by 5 multiply by 100, and so with the table of 5, 100 can be reduced 20 times, and 4 into 20 is 80. So the answer will be 80%. In question number 6, it is given right as a decimal fractions. Now यहाँ पे percentages की values हमें given है, and we are going to change it to decimal fraction. That means हमें decimal numbers में ही change करना है. So first of all, 7% can be written as 7 by 100, and this 7 by 100 upon में क्या है? 2 zeros है. We are going to put a decimal point 2 digit before. So 7 is already there, and 1 digit extra will be this 0. So the answer is 0.07. In B part, 18%. 18% can be written as 18 by 100. So now this will be 0.18, because we are going to put a decimal point 2 digit before. So 2 digit before क्या हो जाएगा? 8 and 1 से पहले एक decimal point आ जाएगा, and this is the answer. Now in this one, 67 1 by 2. So this is 135 by 2. We can divide this 135 by 2 to make it a decimal number. So जब हम इसको divide करेंगे, we will get 2 times 12, 1, and then 15, 7 times 14, and then 1. So we are going to put a decimal point, and then we are going to write 0, and 5 times we are going to write 10. Remainder is 0. So the answer is 67.5. This is the answer of this percentage. Question number 11 is write as a percentage. Now questions are given like this: 8 paise as percent of rupee 1. So first of all we are going to write rupee 1 is equals to 100 paise, because this one is also given in paise. Now इसे हमें किस में चेंज करना है? इनटू परसेंटेज. So what we are going to do? First we are going to write this 8 paise and then we are going to divide it by 100 पैसे. दैट मीन्स हम 1 रुपी से इसको डिवाइड करेंगे. सो 100 पैसे से हमें डिवाइड करना है बिकॉज दिस वन इज ऑल्सो इन पैसे. एंड देन यू आर गोइंग टू मल्टीप्लाई इट बाय 100. जब भी हमें परसेंटेज में चेंज करना होता है हम वैल्यू को किससे मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं? विथ 100. सो दिस 8 पैसे डिवाइडेड बाय 100 पैसे एंड देन मल्टीप्लाई बाय 100 बिकॉज हम परसेंट में चेंज कर रहे हैं. नाउ सी दिस 100 and this 100 can be cancel out, right? So the answer will be 8% only, because ये भी पैसे में था, so ये भी पैसे और पैसे दोनों क्या हो जाएंगे? Cut out. And this 100 and this 100 can also be cancel out. So only 8% is the answer. In C part of this question, 6 gram as percent of 1 kg. So again this 1 kg is equals to 1000 ग्राम, बिकॉज ये भी ग्राम में है इसलिए हम इसको भी ग्राम में चेंज करेंगे. नाउ दिस 6 ग्राम इज डिवाइडेड बाय 1000 ग्राम एंड देन वी आर गोइंग टू मल्टीप्लाई इट बाय 100 बिकॉज हम इसे किस में चेंज कर रहे हैं? इनटू परसेंटेज. नाउ सी दिस ग्राम एंड ग्राम इज कैंसल आउट. दिस 0 with this 0, again this 0 with this 0. Now the number is 6 and then in the denominator it is 10. So 6 by 10 can be written as 0.6 and this 0.6 will be percentage. This is the answer. Question number 12 is find the value of. A part is given 30% of 50. So this 30% can be written as 30 by 100. Then this of means multiplication and then this 50. So first we are going to cancel out these zeros. So ये 0 और इसका last वाला 0 and this 0 and इसका last वाला 0 we can cut out. Then the values are 3 multiplied by 5 only because denominator में 1 है वो हमें नहीं लिखना है. So 3 into 5 is 15 and this will be answer. अब ये percentage में इसलिए नहीं आएगा because हमने percentage को किस में change कर दिया था? Into 100. So ये normal number में answer आएगा. Question number 1 is Raju scored 540 marks out of 600. Write his score as a percentage. So his total marks are 600 and he obtained 540 out of 600. So score percentage will be, first you are going to write 540 and then in the denominator you will write 600. We are going to change this number into percentage. So जब भी हम percentage में change करते हैं we are going to multiply the number by 100. So here we can cancel out these two zeros from these two zeros and here this number will be 540 divided by 6 and this will be converted into percentage. So in the table of 6, 54 will come 9 times and this 0 is extra, so we are going to write 0. Or you can say जब हम 6 को 540 से divide करेंगे we'll get 90. So the answer is 90%. So उसके जो scoring marks है in percentage that is 90%. This is the answer. Question number 2 is only 80% of the 1250 students of a school were present on Tuesday. How many students came to school on that day? So only 80% जो थे 1250 students of a school, किसी स्कूल के 1250 students कब प्रेजेंट थे? ट्यूसडे को प्रेजेंट थे. सो हमें यहाँ फाइंड करना है कि कितने स्टूडेंट उस दिन गए थे स्कूल. सो वी आर गोइंग टू फाइंड 80% of 1250. So students came to school on Tuesday. हम Tuesday का फाइंड कर रहे हैं, कितने students आए थे. So हमें क्या फाइंड करना है, 80% of this number. So this will be, see, 80% can be written as 80 by 100. This of means multiply, and then 1250. So this 0 and this 0 can be cancelled out, and this 0 will also be cancelled out. So basically we are going to multiply this 8 with this 125. So 8 into 125 will be 1000. So 1000 students came to school on Tuesday, and this is the answer. Question number 3. Seema spent 90% of rupees 560 on a dress. How much was the dress for? So सीमा ने 90% 560 रुपीज़ का 90% स्पेंड किया है उसकी ड्रेस पे. हमें उस ड्रेस की कॉस्ट फाइंड करनी है. सो कॉस्ट ऑफ हर ड्रेस इज इक्वल्स टू 90% ऑफ रुपीज़ 560. सो 90% कैन बी रिटन एज 90 by 100, and then of means multiply of this 560 rupees. So this 0 and this 0 is cancelled out. This 0 and this 0 is also cancelled out. Now we are going to multiply this 9 by this rupees 56, and this is equals to rupees 504. So उसकी जो ड्रेस का कॉस्ट है that is 504 rupees. Fourth question is, Salman bought a sweater for rupees 350. His shirt cost 80% of the price of the sweater. What was the price of his shirt? So सलमान ने एक स्वेटर परचेज किया which was for rupees 350, and उसने एक शर्ट भी ली, और वो शर्ट की कॉस्ट जो है वो 80% है किसकी, इस स्वेटर की प्राइस की. सो हमें उसकी शर्ट की कॉस्ट फाइंड करनी है. सो प्राइस ऑफ हिज शर्ट इज इक्वल्स टू 80% ऑफ द कॉस्ट ऑफ द स्वेटर. सो यहाँ पे हमें 80% किसका फाइंड करना है, ऑफ रुपीज़ 350. सो 80% कैन बी रिटन एज 80 upon 100. This of means multiply, and this rupees 350. This 0 and this 0 cancel out. This 0 and this 0 cancel out. Now we are going to multiply this 8 by rupees 35. So the answer is rupees 280. So जो उसकी शर्ट है उसकी प्राइस क्या होगी, रुपीज़ 280. Next we are going to solve question number 7. You have to omit question number 5 and 6. Question number 7 is, Raghavan weighs 72 kilogram. The weight of his son is 75% of his weight. Find the difference between their weights. So राघवन का वेट 72 किलोग्राम है और उसके सन का जो वेट है वो क्या है, 75% है किसके, राघवन के वेट से. नाउ हमें दोनों के वेट कैलकुलेट करके और उन दोनों के वेट्स का डिफरेंस फाइंड करना है. सो राघवन का वेट ऑलरेडी गिवन है 72 किलोग्राम. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू फाइंड द वेट ऑफ हिज सन. सी, Raghavan's weight is 72 kilogram. His son's weight is equals to 75% of Raghavan's weight. That means 75% of 72 kg. So this 75% can be written as 75 by 100. Of means multiply, and then 72. So here अब यहाँ पे हम कुछ कट नहीं कर सकते. So we are going to multiply this 75 and 72. So 75 multiplied by 72 is 5400. आप इसे रफ में मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे and then divided by 100. Now we can cancel out these zeros. So his son's weight is 54 kg. उसके सन का जो वेट है वो कितना है, 54 kg. Now what is the difference between their weight, and what is the meaning of difference? Difference means हमें subtract करना है. So 72 minus 54. जब आप इसे माइनस करेंगे यू विल गेट 18 किलोग्राम। आपको रफ में इसे सॉल्व करना है एंड द आंसर इज 18 kg। Question number 8 is Ashu scored 80 points in a quiz. Danny got 80% of Ashu's score and Tinu got 50% of Danny's score. What was Tinu's score? So Ashu ने स्कोर किए क्विज में 80 पॉइंट्स, डैनी ने 80% स्कोर किया है आशु के स्कोर से एंड टीनू ने 50% स्कोर किया है डैनी के स्कोर से। एंड हमें फाइंड करना है व्हाट वाज द स्कोर ऑफ टीनू। हमें यहाँ पे टीनू के स्कोर फाइंड करने हैं। सो आशुज स्कोर इज 80 पॉइंट्स एंड डैनी का स्कोर क्या है 80% ऑफ आशुज स्कोर। 80% दैट मीन्स 80 by 100 ऑफ मीन्स मल्टीप्लाई एंड आशु का स्कोर कितना था 80। सो दिस जीरो एंड दिस जीरो कैन बी कैंसल आउट विद दीज। सो दिस 8 into 8 विल बी 64। सो ये 64 किसका स्कोर है? डैनी का स्कोर है। नाउ टीनूज स्कोर इज इक्वल टू 50% ऑफ डैनीज स्कोर। अभी हमने डैनी का फाइंड किया, कितने स्कोर आए थे 64। सो अब हम उसका 50% फाइंड करेंगे जिससे क्या आ जाएगा हमारे पास में टीनू का स्कोर आ जाएगा। सो 50% कैन बी रिटन एज 50 अपॉन 100 ऑफ मीन्स मल्टीप्लाई एंड देन 64। सो यहाँ पे ओनली 1 0 वी कैन कैंसल आउट। नाउ दिस 5 and 64 we have to multiply this 5 and 64 first and then we will divide it by 10. So 5 into 64 is 320 and now we will divide this 10 by 320. So हम इसके zeros कट कर देंगे। So टीनू का जो स्कोर है that is 32 points. This one is Teenu's score and this is the answer.